I'm going to try this eye, tracing the outline of the eye, just an outline. I'm only going to use charcoal for this whole drawing. I use the needle eraser to remove the extra line. Now here comes the charcoal sticks, which I'm going to use. Here comes the charcoal pencils, hard, soft and medium. Here comes the white charcoal pencil, and this is the eraser pen. I needed eraser for fine little details. Another eraser. Here comes the brush, a white gel pen, another brush, creating a fine smooth base for my whole sketch. Adding some depth into my sketch. An eyeball. It should be very dark and expressive. Here comes the outline. Adding some more highlights. Eyebrow area. Now adding some more detail. Adding some details. Till now it is looking just wow. Now comes the eyelashes. It was a very much complicated part of this whole process. Adding some more details into the sketch with the help of highlights. It's quite hard to attain smoother finishing look with the charcoal, but I tried it. Now adding the hairs. Now adding the details to the eyebrows. I really enjoyed it. Removing the masking tape. Here comes the final results, and I'm very much happy with the charcoal.